In a world driven by data, one vulnerability is all it takes. Cyber threats don't knock, they break in. Learn to think like an attacker. Defend like a professional.
Good evening, Tafiq. So, how are you guys? How is your day? Fine, good, fun, boring. Good evening, Arga. Okay, so guys, I request you to please open your Kali Linux. Okay, so we will practice today a tool which name is Social Engineering Toolkit or HCT. Okay, so first I tell you something about this tool and I will go through it. Okay, some practical part. In the meanwhile time, you can open your Kali Linux. As you all know, we have already discussed about social engineering attacks. So anyone can explain what do you all mean by social engineering? Or what are social engineering attacks? Okay, Arishri, to trick people to provide their credentials. Okay. And rest of the guys, any comments on what is social engineering or what are these type of attacks? Okay. So Social Engineering Toolkit is an open source Python based framework. Okay. And it is designed to social engineering penetration testing. Okay. And I hope you all know about penetration testing to test that there are some vulnerabilities or not by checking to attacking the something. Okay. And SCT automates many type of most common social engineering attacks used by real attackers like phishing, credentials harvesting, okay, payload delivery, and etc. Many more. And it comes in pre-installed in Kali Linux, and we all are using Kali Linux. Okay, so we will try to practice these things. Okay, and social media attacks using SCT are illegal. So we will try these type of attacks only on our own system. Okay, not on others. I will tell you some of the things that you can use to attack on someone else, but don't use it. Okay, so we will try it on ourselves only, and it is illegal to use these type of tools to attack on someone else's system without explicit written authorization. You have to first take the authorization for many people, then you can use on them. Okay, never use SCT against real people or real websites, real email servers, etc. that you don't own. Okay, guys. So what SCT do, it does reconnaissance also. We can use it as a weaponization also. Okay, it can delivery also to sending phishing emails, SMS, like etc. It can do exploitation also. Okay, capturing credentials and etc. Post exploitation, it maintaining the access via reverse shell to deliver through SCG. Okay, SCT. Okay. So we have done these things also through the nmap. We can check about the system or how the things work. That how can we check the information regarding any system and many more. So okay, so let me share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to you all. Does my screen is visible? Hello guys. Okay, Tafi. Okay, Subhajit. Sir, my VMware not open accidentally. It is giving you some error or something else. Try to open it with administrator permission. Okay. Try it once again after giving administrator permission. And then if you also not able to open, then reply me. Okay. Okay, guys. So I hope you all open your Kali Linux system. So to use, write the tool name. Okay. Set toolkit. This is the tool name. SCTOOLKIT. So plus enter. So it will activate the tool for us. See, it will start the tool, and these are the type of attack that we can perform on it. Okay. It's okay, Alva. I hope you all are opened social engineering tool. Yes, Chetan. So open it, guys. For the tool. Can you show the command? The command is here. So the same. Wait a minute. So the command that I use is It open in new window. No problem. I will show you. So see, the command is shell toolkit, social engineering toolkit, SE, social engineering and toolkit. Full form. So you have to enter this command, social engineering toolkit, and press enter, and it will open in new window of this tool. Okay, so this is the tool that is shown to you all. Got it, Kunal? And I hope I have shared all the commands with you on WhatsApp group, so you all got them yesterday. All right. Okay, so guys, let me explain you. Show this server. I am pasting in the chat section. Okay, this is the command.
I'm listening. Go ahead and share what you have. Would you like me?
This is the command. Okay, wait a minute. I typed it wrong. Set toolkit. L. Yes, Tafi. By mistake, I missed L. So okay, guys, let me explain you that the output that we are getting, the first things. Okay, so SET, it is so normally saying you the tool name, and it is the social engineering toolkit created by David Candy, and this is the version of this. So we have to check it is up to date or not. Okay, so it is up to date according to the Google. You can check it there also, and the code name is Maverick. And what is code name? It is the release code name. Okay, used to quickly identify the version in documentation. Okay, and these are the twitters that you can follow. It is the Twitter pages of the person that made this tool. Okay, and that is home page. So these are the normal things that welcome all. So these are the types of things that we can perform on this social engineering attacks, penetration testing, third-party modules, update the social engineering toolkit, and update the set configuration. And these are the 4, 5, 6 are the updation and tool setting, and 1 to 3 are the type of attack that can perform on it. Okay, so I will show you 1 or 2 type of things that we can do, and rest you can practice on this tool later on. Okay, so got the point, guys? I know that so toolkit I did so many times things. Okay, Chaitanya, good. So you can practice one more time. Okay, so you can practice by your own also in the meantime, or you can check what we are doing. Okay, Chaitanya? Okay. All right, guys. So the first social engineering attacks that is mentioned, it means there is a primary menu. Okay, contains all type of phishing attacks, credential harvesting, and payload attacks. And the second type, penetration testing, that are fast attacks, that are automated exploits, including SQLi, MS SQL, brute force, and custom exploits. And the third-party modules are the additional modules contributed by the community. The fourth step, update set, that pulls the latest version from the GitHub and always updates before a professional engagement. Exit is to clean. Normally you can press exit and you can exit the page. Okay, so we will enter by clicking first. Okay, but so we have to do the first type of attacks. So okay, so it will show you these 10 options. Okay, so these are the 10 options that you can perform. First is spear phishing, and let me tell you what are these type of attacks. Okay, if you are in anything you are having any doubt, you can ask me directly. Okay, I will explain you. Okay, so the spear phishing attack, it means the craft target emails with malicious attachments. Okay, most sophisticated email attacks, website attacks vectors, clone websites and inject Java applets. So we will practice this one. Okay, website attack vectors. The third one is infectious media generator. It will create the outrun based USB CD attacks with embedded payloads. Okay, by embedding payloads in them. Fourth one is payload and listener, generate standalone malicious executables and start Metasploit listener also. It will do both things. Mass mailer, it will send the phishing emails to large group requires SMTP server configuration. And QR code generator, like eighth, it will generate malicious QR codes that redirect victims to attacker control sites. Okay, so these are the important attacks in that. So okay, let me show you some attacks that we can perform on it. Okay. Okay, guys, wait a minute. So we want to do website attack vectors. Okay. So these are the predefined methods that we have: Java applet attack method, Metasploit browser exploit method, credential harvesting. So we have to do the credential harvesting. I want to know the credential of someone persons. Okay. So press 3. And these are the web templates, stat cloner, custom imports. So there are some templates that are already available, and you can clone the websites also. Some websites that you can have. So we will try with the first, okay, web templates that are already presented. We will also try to do the second step. Okay, so first we will do the first one. Let first one. Okay, so the IP address for the post back in harvester. So by default it is this one, which is my current IP address, and you can press enter. So if you press enter, it will take by default. Okay, so these are the three options. It has Java website, it has Google one authenticator, and it will have Twitter one. So we will do second one, Google one. If you press enter, so it will clone the Google website on our port 80 or on localhost. So let me open Chrome. Okay, not Chrome, Firefox on it. If you are having select web templates. Yes, Arga, I think I have selected one. I've selected the web templates. Yes. Web templates. Select web templates. So let the Firefox open. I don't know why it is taking time to open Firefox. So much time to open Firefox. Okay, so finally Firefox has opened up. Set website value tag. IP address for the post back and harvesting tag. Nothing, Arga. Press enter. And you can select then the Google one. Okay. So see, guys, it will show almost the same page like Google, but it is not real one. Okay. It is a fake created by the SET tool only. Okay. It looks real, almost similar to Google one, and we are running on it on our port 80. That is on our localhost. So if I enter my Gmail, whatever I am entering. So this is my Gmail, and whatever password I want to report. Okay. If I click on sign in, okay. So it will redirect me to the real page of the Google. Yes. It is redirecting me to the real Google page, and I hope it has transferred the credentials on my terminal. See, I got the email or password what I have entered. web@gmail.com and password is this that I have entered. It has given and it is redirect me to the Google page originally. Okay, so it looks legit, not look so that much non-familiar. Anyone having any type of doubt? Try this, guys, and then reply me when you guys are done. Okay, so Tafiq, I am giving you the rights. You can share your screen, then I will show you. Okay. Wait a minute. Let me give rights to the Tafiq. You all can see that what Tafiq will do. Then you can repeat that thing. Let me give Tafiq the permissions. Okay, Tafiq, so share your screen. Alright. So I hope you have opened the Google. Okay. So open your Firefox. And open localhost colon 80 host colon 80, not slash, colon, two dots, not two dots, Tafiq, that I am pasting in the chat section. This one. See the chat section? Yes, this one. Colon 80 Tafiq. We have to run it on port number 80 na? So localhost port number 80 colon 80. We have to specify the port also. Okay, that what port at VHR we are running. We have learned about it in the nmap na, to check which ports are working and which port are not. So 80 write 80, not 80 80. Yes, localhost port number 80. So see, it looks like almost goal page. Enter your email passwords. So it look almost legit like the Google login page. Enter the password. Sign in. Continue. Okay. So it will redirect you to the same Google website that like you are logged in, like, or like something. Okay. So it looks legit to you. Wait, let it reload. I hope your laptop is connected to the Wi-Fi. The Linux system. It is still loading. Just share the localhost URL. Okay, आएगा. Wait a minute. Localhost vulnerability. Yes, Manjit, I will. Wait a minute. Let Tafiq done the sign up process. Tafiq, reload the page once. Okay, enter the email passwords again. Kunal, you want to trap? Okay, so it is illegal, but if you want to do that, we can export our port. Okay, we can uh, access our port, make it accessible to the outside person by changing the URL. Like you can use ngRock, and you can use many websites are there which can be used to open your port for everyone else. Okay, for the third party, and you can change the URL also. Like ngRock, you can use ngRock website. No, not website. It is like a ngRock extension. You can download it in your Linux, and you can make that link accessible to everyone. But your Linux should be open at that time. Then you can perform the same thing. If they enter your URL in wherever you are, they are. Tafik, try to do that in your Windows phone. Try your normal Windows. On Windows, try to do this on Windows. Your screen is turned off. Try to do this in Windows. Share your screen. Full screen. So Arga, did you done the attack? It is working for you? Yes, sir. Very interesting. Okay, okay, Arga. Type same command, localhost colon 80. Host host colon 80. Yes, enter. Okay, it will not work on Windows because it is a different IP. Okay, in Linux that is a different system. Okay, so close this. Try this at that on Linux. Okay, do one thing. Tafik, close your Firefox and open it again. And close this attack also. And again from do that's on the shutting. So everyone Kunal and Manjit also came now. And I said, okay, so make it full, make your screen full for Linux so everyone can see. Press Control C. Oh, your skin is looking strange. Third option. Try to do the third option from the last. Press Control Shift plus. Control Shift plus. Okay, okay. Okay, Tavik. So close your screen. Let me open mine. Okay, I will share. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, okay, fine. So see guys, so it is a SCT tool. Wait a minute, Tavik, wait a minute. Type the command. Okay, set toolkit. So see guys, Manjit and Kunal, this is the command set toolkit. So this is a tool which we can use to do some social engineering attacks. Okay, on someone else. So it can be also used to do the credential harvesting, penetration testing, and etc. attacks. Okay, and this is the command by which you can activate this tool on Linux. Press enter. Okay. Okay. So if you press enter, it will show up in the new window. This is the tool, and it will give all the information about the creator, and this is the code name and the version name. And these are the type of attacks that you can perform: social engineering attacks, penetration testing, okay, and third-party modules. So we are currently executing credential harvesting attack. Okay, press 1 and enter. Yes, enter. So these are the all type of attacks that we have in social engineering, and spear phishing, website attack vectors, and etc. etc. And we are currently doing website attack vectors. So press 2 and enter. Okay, and we are doing credential harvester attack methods. So press 3 and enter. We have to enter the number and okay, and we have, and what options are available in that? Web templates that are already made by this tool. They are side cloner. You can paste the link and you can clone the website that we have, and the custom imports. So we are doing one. Press 1 and enter. So these are the web templates that are already available in that. Okay. So it will ask that you want to have your own another IP address, or it will take by default this one. So if you press enter, then it will take by default 192.168.17.130. So press enter, Tafi. So it will take by default that IP address. So it will give you three options that has web templates of already, Java required, 2 for Google and 3 for Twitter. So let Tafi do for 3 now. So let's do for Twitter. 3. Option 3. Okay, enter. So it will clone the website and it will open on the port number 80 as mentioned. Okay. So now open your Firefox. Okay. And enter the command localhost 80. Localhost :80. 80. Enter. See, it will give you the login page of Twitter. And okay, enter the username and password. You can customize this website also. Okay, you can enter your custom code for HTML CSS also if you are made by it. You can do much thing regarding this tool. If you don't like the interface of this tool, you can enter your own code for any login page or website. Just enter the password, anything, whatever you need, and press enter. Continue. Okay, so see, it will redirect to somewhere else, Twitter. So now open your terminal and see, we got the email and password that Tafiq has entered. Tafiq has entered example email and pass 123 as password. So that's how you can do the credential harvesting. You can get the email passwords that users are entering. Okay, and it is running on our localhost. If you want to execute it on someone else, Chrome or something like this, so they can access it. So we have to export our code, and we can use many tools for that, like N0. N0 is the most popular tool that you can use. So by using that command, you can export your code, and it can be accessible from anywhere. And if your Linux is open at that time, it will show them the same code, and they can do the same stuff. Okay, Tariq, so you can stop sharing your screen. So anyone having any more doubt regarding the tool execution? Something went wrong? No, sir, all clear. Okay, Shiva. Something went wrong. Printing the other invite syntax string line. Okay, Nakul. So I am giving you the rights. Or so you can share your screen, so we can share that is no problem. Okay, Tavi. Oh, okay, Kunal. So you can share your screen. No, Manjeet, we can do on Meet, okay? These are not illegal things. It is available if you search in my system. If you want to do, you can search normally the N0 documentation. So we'll let me. Okay, so Arga, what you can do, you can do the same stuff. First, you have to do the same as we have done, and you have to start the attack on port number 80. And after completing all things, you have to see this documentation which I have pasted. Just you have to download the N0 in your system, and you have to import the API keys, and just export the port, and by the link that N0 will provide you, you can paste that same link in whoever mobile or laptop you want to do this stuff, and the same website will open, and the same things will you can do same. Okay, what I have told you, do the same things in Linux, and from this documentation, just download the N0 how it tells you, make cookies, and export your code. That's it. And you can, and Nglog will give you the link by which your parents or anyone else phone can access the link. That will redact them to same as your localhost port number 80 will. Okay, okay, Arga? And Manjeet also, and Lokesh also. So you can check this documentation of this to how to use N0 to export any port. Okay, like port number 80 or any other port that you want to use. Okay, guys. Okay, so wait a minute. Tafiq, what I have said, you have to do the same stuff that I have done, and then check this documentation. By screenshots, by step, they have explained that how to install N0 in your Linux and how to use it to export any port. You have to just uh, export the port number 80, okay, by using N0, and it will give you the link in your terminal only, and you can paste that link anywhere, and you can access your port number 80 from any other phone also. Okay, first you have to do the same stuff that we have done just now, that open the port number 80 and everything in that stuff. Then you have to export that open port. Okay, okay, so Nakul, share your screen. You haven't shared yet? You have done, or having problem still? You are still having problem. If you are having the same problem, you can share your screen. Not allowed? I have given you the permission. Okay, okay, sorry. Okay, I have given you the permission. You can share your screen. Yes, Lokesh. Yes. Using N0, you can export any port anywhere. You can, N0 will give you the link by which anyone can access your port number 80. Okay, and they can see the same stuff that you are doing. Okay, so Nakul, right, set toolkit, press enter. Okay. Okay, so press 1, enter. Okay, now press 2. Okay, now 3, credential harvesting. Now 1, web templates. 1, web templates. Okay, now enter. Okay, now let we have let press 1 now. We have done for 2 or 3. Now try 1. Okay, 1. Yes, enter. Java required. Enter your IP address. So open a new window in your terminal. Press on file. Click on file. Okay, okay. Open another terminal. No problem. You have closed your terminal or what? Where your terminal gone? Okay, all right. So what is the command to check the IP address of Linux? Not IP, not no. Okay, okay, IP address. Okay, yes. Yeah, okay. Right. You can do that. Right, yeah, also. Okay. So no, this is not one. Okay, right. I have config first. I have config. Right. I have config. I have config. Not space. Control C. Yes, I have config without space. Config. So your IP address is okay. It is the same. Okay, 127.0.0.1. Okay, copy that and open the same terminal and paste it here. Enter. I hope you are connected to Wi-Fi, Nakul. I think you are not connected to Wi-Fi. You are connected in Windows, but why you are not connected in Linux? Because it is giving you the same output. Yes, I can see. I can see you are connected in Windows, but it is not accessible. Your net is not accessible in Linux. I think that's why you are getting the same port 127. Okay, show me again. Show me the window and show me what you have pasted. 127.0.0.1. Example, printing the error and where is syntax string line 1. Okay, do the again same stuff. Set toolkit. Not set toolkit. SET. Yes, enter. Same stuff. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. Enter. Now 1. Now type 127.0.0.1. 7.0.0.1. Enter. Okay, now so what you can do? Wait a minute, let me check. Wait a minute, Nakul. Let me check on my system. How to do system. Okay, Nakul. So show me again. I have config. Type I have config. Config. G. Config. Let's press enter. Yes, Nakul, you are not connected to Wi-Fi. So what you can do? You can reinstall the Linux. Okay. Close this VMware. Delete the Kinex from it, and you can reinstall the Linux because you are not connected to Wi-Fi. Okay. The network is not accessible in this. So you can check. Open Firefox. Okay, no problem. If you open Firefox, I hope you are not connected to Wi-Fi. If I am correct. search any stuff. Not there. Open a new tab. Type google.com. Yes, see, you are not connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, so close this stuff and try to reinstall the Kali. Okay, so it is must that you have the Wi-Fi to access this tool and many other things. Okay, Nakul? And you are getting the still having the same error, you can tell me that. Okay, you can share it. So guys, let me quickly finish with the PPT. Okay, Nakul. Sir, we can't do illegal activities, then how people master these skills as normal? Manjit, by practicing. By practicing. So see, I have told you one thing that you can do on this tool. You have whole your day, you have whole your month, you can try this tool. I have told you only one thing, okay? And there are many type of attacks that you can perform. So try this tool, try to do all this type of attacks. So as you practice more, you will get to know more that how these attacks will happen and how you can be safe from this type of attacks. Okay, guys? So let me share my screen, then we will do the PPT and stuff. So you all got any type of doubt that you are getting up to now? That how these type of tools can be used, how these type of attacks can be happen to you also. And you can see it almost look good, and we have used already pre-made web templates. You can execute your own code also, okay? So you can do pretty much good stuff regarding these type of tools. Any doubt, guys? I hope not. If you are having any type of doubt, no problem, you can ask me anytime. But target will see the locality mentioned. No, Tafiq, I have told you about one thing only. I have told you about N0 only. Okay, there are many type of tools by you can do many such things. I can't tell you about these things, but there are many things you can do. You are not even able to find out any mistake that okay, this is a real link or fake link, something like this. If I will send you the Gmail, okay, if I will send you Gmail, I will write anything like Google link and I will hide this link inside that link. What you will do then? I will hide this link inside any text. You have done the HTML, no? You can do a href tag, HTML tag. I will write hello and I will hide this link in the href section. What you will do? You will click on it and you are redirected to this. You are on laptop, that's why you are seeing this link again and again. But if you are on mobile, you will only see what is visible to you. You know the stuff, then you can be aware. You can be aware of that. But there are many people which are not so much educated, which don't know that much of things in mobile phone. They see okay, there is Google sign. That's okay. Let's enter our email and password. Okay. You need only one time, one thing. You need only one thing. Okay, Taku. Okay. Okay, so guys, there are no documentation of that tools on browser. They are available, Arka. You can check that. But I told you now it is illegal. That's why people don't post it. Not post. It is not accessible. It is not legalized. Okay. So you cannot paste these type of things openly. You have to do the stuff only by practicing. Try to explore this tool. Try to click on everything. There is no problem in doing something. like you have to code yourself. Okay, you have coded the whole login page with you, and you have to import that file in that tool. That is high end stuff, Lokesh. Don't comment that part. Yes, Tavi. Okay, so let's do with the PPT. Okay, so we are getting late regarding that. Time is already much. Okay, guys. So see, or we can do one thing. Okay, we can do today's PPT and tomorrow's PPT tomorrow only. Okay, in tomorrow's class. Because today we are having less time, so we are not able to finish because this PPT is very important. Okay, security standards and compliances. This is a very important PPT. So this is important to discuss with you all. The NIST framework and ISO 27001 framework. I hope you all have heard about it. These are the very important frameworks that we have to understand. That these are the rules or structure that already made for the organization. So they have to follow that adherently by heavy duties. Okay, so we will discuss about them tomorrow in tomorrow's class. So tell me guys, you are having any type of doubt up to at like from today's session or from previous sessions also, any type of doubts that you are having. Okay. So let me tell you the fact. Wait a minute. I think I didn't told you fact on yesterday's class. I told you. No. Okay. Let me tell you the stuff. Okay, so let me tell you something interesting today. Okay, wait a minute. I just check the guys. Okay, so tell me. Let you are watching any match on Hotstar or somewhere else. Okay, let's see Disney Hotstar. You are watching a live cricket match. So I hope you are all seeing it live. So do you think that match is live? That is real time live match that you are seeing, that you see on Hotstar or something like this. Yes, okay, Tafi. So that you are watching the previous match, I think, of India versus Netherlands of T20 World Cup. So that you are seeing India versus Netherlands. So do you think that that match is live? That came in real time? Okay, Lokesh. So how do you think that is live? Okay, so live real time coverage that they are showing you. There is some delay. Okay. So how? Why there is delay? Okay, delay is there, but why? What is the reason? Because of internet. Okay. Maybe that is not the reason. Anyone else? Anyone? Or let me tell you. UDP. Okay, UDP is fine. Okay, UDP will give you fast live stream. Like on YouTube, there is only 10 to 20 seconds delay only. Not even that only. UDP is fast. There is not this type of thing. Okay, so let me tell you. When you are seeing match live, it is not actually live. Okay, you are seeing downloaded videos, not live match. So let me tell you how that happens. When you watch on a live sports platform like Disney Hotstar, or you are actually watching the past, okay, that is not live. That you are seeing the past. So how it works? Because the whole match should be covered with different, and the whole match should be added to different angles. No, Lokesh, that is not the reason. That is different. Okay, so let me tell you. Broken into 2 to 6 second chunks. Okay, video, and it is encoded. So how things happen when they got recording, they will dispatch the recording into different steps, like 144p, 260p, or what it 240p, 360p, 480p, 1080p. They will divide these type of things. They will divide it in different chunks and they will encode it. They will encode the files, downloaded files. The server will do. These are already coded. This is the backend work that is done. Okay, these are the algorithms that they made for their platform to do these type of things. Okay, they got the recording, they encode it, they will send to the different servers that they have. All so that they have one server in Mumbai, they have one server in Delhi, Bangalore, and Kolkata. They send these files to them, encoded files, and they have two servers. One is from the user directory or user backend. Yes, this is one of the things. These are the one. System scaling is only one of the smallest part of this system. Okay, and they got two servers. One for the users backend. They are stored every information of the user, and the other one is the video streaming platforms that they have all the videos of encrypted live match. If you have opened your WhatsApp and you have clicked on okay, show me the live match of this, they will it will send two requests. One is to the backend server that is available for requesting the API that okay, this user have subscription or not, how much subscription level it has. It has HD full video streaming subscription or only 480p type 720 maximum p. So it will give that information, and then that type of file came from that video platform. By taking your key, your private key, and that encoded file, it will combine and the file will decrypted, and then that downloaded file combined all 2 to 6 second, every video clip will combine to one, and it will shown on your screen. So that's how, and all this process happened in only 30 seconds to 1 minute time frame. Not even 1 minute, around 10 to 30 seconds time frame. All these things happened. Okay, that's how you will see the match. It is not real time live. It is around 30 seconds past. You are seeing. Okay, so it is not actually live. You are seeing the past of 30 seconds delay, and it is not live match. You are seeing the downloaded files, only the video chunks of downloaded files. Okay, they are sent to CDN or cloud distributed network. It will buffer on your device. By the time it plays on your screen, you are 10 to 30 seconds behind reality. And the truth is, it's not fake. It's called streaming latency. Okay, what it called streaming latency. What it means? A deliberate engineering trade-off to ensure smooth playback over the internet. Okay, if they send you the UDP packets, the UDP packets does not confirm any type of reliability. The packets can be lost. Okay, in the way. So you are getting only half of the match, and half match has gone. Okay, so it should be verified. They should get. You are paying subscription. You are paying subscription for that. Okay, so they have to be shown the live cricket match, not real time. So they are showing the downloaded files, so you can see, analyze them. Okay, so to ensure smooth playback over the internet, so live streaming isn't live, it's carefully delayed computer science. Okay, so what is all this stuff means? Live streaming isn't live, it's carefully delayed computer science. Okay guys, so I hope this fact is interesting for you. You guys learn something new from it. Any doubts from what I explained to you? Sir, if I watch match in the stadium and call someone from that location, the person see the early, they are only watching it. Yes, you will see the match early. You will tell them, okay, so this thing has happened, and they will see that thing after 10 to 20 seconds. And you can see the live sport platforms like ClickBuzz and these all stuff. They will show the scores earlier than the video streaming platforms. You can check then something. You have checked sometime. that the live score that came on Google or ClickBuzz, they show the scores earlier than the Hotstar or these things, because they don't do stuff like this. They use direct APIs, so they will update the scores in real time. But the video streaming platforms, they are doing this type of so much wide variety of stuff, that's why it comes with 10 to 20 seconds of delay. Yes, sir. I want it. I will check. Yes, Tafiq. So this is good for you. This stuff is good. Practice good. I hope yesterday that I have not told you anything regarding this fact. Now it is covered. So I hope you are not angry with me today. I was thinking that my internet is slow, but no. Yes, Tafiq, it is very fast. Very, very fast. It is deliberately slowed down. Okay, that is not your fault. That is done by the developers only, like us. Okay, I am also creating one app. I have also one project, and I am doing the same stuff. Same stuff. Okay, so it should be like in the structured form. If everyone is getting the access to the data in fast time, then not how many people will get the data. Not all. I hope you all got my point. Okay, guys. So thank you, everyone. We will meet tomorrow. I will tell you the timings. I will talk to the admin team, and I will tell you the timings regarding the tomorrow session. And Sunday will be off for you. Okay. So thank you, guys. Join for 4, and good night, everyone. Sweet dreams, and try to hack someone's system in your dreams. Okay. Bye, bye, guys. Good night, everyone.